Buongiorno. I have a new audio setup, so let me just quickly check if it's in sync. Uh, hello, hello, hello. Uh, hello, hello, hello. Hello. So that was okay, but not great. So let's try to adjust it a little bit. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Okay, so I think there's like a 400 millisecond audio delay that I have to add. Uh, let's try minus 200. Okay, I think now we're good. I got new AirPods because my previous ones had a bit of a microphone issue, so the audio quality should be a lot better now. Let's see if it's now synchronized. Test, test, test. I hope it's gonna play. Test, test, test. No, it's not synchronized. No. Let's try setting it to 0. The problem is I can't really do this offline because it is different between streaming and recording. So I'll try it one last time. Uh, test. Test. I think I actually want to add a bit of delay to the microphone now. Like maybe 200 milliseconds. Let's try how it looks like now. Test. Now. Test. I think we're good enough. Like it could be worse. I think we're good enough. Like it could be worse. I think we're good enough. Yeah, let's just add like another 100 milliseconds and then we'll leave it at that. Okay. So where we left our protagonist, we were struggling to get the HLS stream to play. Um, After we created the M3 U8 files, they just wouldn't play, and I've literally not touched anything since. So we still have the simulator running; it still doesn't play. We have the console message up here where we got our. Oh, I hope ngrok is still running. Did it change the server? No, it seems like it's still up to date. Okay. One thing I might just quickly do is to find the M3 URL that we last tried to play, which was this one, and we can see where we go from here. The file itself works if we just go ahead and open it in ENA and pop in the one ending in E52 right here. Well, that's not working. I think we have to open it like this. Yeah, okay. So here it's working. If we scroll back at least. No, maybe it's not working. Oh, that's peculiar. It was working prior. Am I hallucinating this? It's like kind of working. Maybe Ina is just buggy, but it was definitely working before with this file. It's working better in Ina than it is in Safari, that's for sure. So one thing we could try is use the specific stream resolution. So let's try _0. Still not working. Okay. It's not the master playlist, that's for sure. It is gonna be the individual playlist right here. Um, and I do remember that I've been able to fix an issue like this before. It might be the whole codec thing. I'm not sure about that one. So let's just see if the codec removal, disabling that for now, has a chance to fix the issue. Of course, since we're doing this in a celery task in the background, it's going to take a while until it will actually generate the entire playlist. I also kind of want to change this to be medium resolution. Ooh, now that I think about it, I don't think we can just quickly change uh, the settings like this. Oh, yeah. So let's see if ps minus h grep python is giving us anything. It doesn't seem like the celery worker is still working, so it seems like it completely stopped. Let's give this a try. We just generated 41638, 41638 dot m3u8. And yeah, the change that we just made in the code to not remove the codec hasn't been applied yet because we had to restart the celery worker. Let's upload the file again to see if actually changing the code fixes anything. You can also see that we changed the quality to medium, which should speed up the entire process a little bit. Just a little bit. Try to get coffee. Okay, success. So next up, 9719 is the file. 9719. And in this M308, we should have the codec still present. No? Am I losing it? Uh, oh, that's wild. The master playlist, which is this one. Well, anyway, let's see. Copy relative path. Let's see if this one might magically work. My money is not really on it. Yeah, okay. So I think what we can do next is enable the debugging of M3 U8 streams in Safari, in Swift UI. I just want to quickly make this easier to debug and simply uh, reduce it to only one message that's shown at once. This way, we can make sure that we only have one player going at once. And of course, since the whole thing is flipped, we actually want to take a prefix instead of a suffix. Okay. Well, let's Google iOS M3U8 debug because they do have an article about this. Now we do have a player and we do have a player item. Um, let's just check if our video player actually creates an AV player. It does. Okay. So how about we turn this into a computer property var player. This is type AV player, and then let player equals this, and then we return. Of course, there's a closing parenthesis here, and we remove that one. And now we can start adding all these watches for pairs. We take pair, current item, observe. Probably needs a question mark. Okay. Print player error. Return. And then same thing happens here, except we have player item there. And we're good to go. Let's see. Nothing, huh? What the heck? Um, so observers, any, I think we have to add the observer somewhere. I think otherwise they get discarded. Self observers, add player observer and player item observer. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh, it's not add, it's append, of course. Okay, that's good. Now we get there. Cannot open. This media may be damaged. Well, that's not very precise. How is it damaged, though? Core media error domain 12848. Let's Google this then. No results. We love it. The URL play on Mac or iOS replacing PC. Well, I could try to play the URL actually, and open URL. Doesn't really seem to be. Oh, it is working. So Safari is having the issue. Hmm. Well, let's go back to Bubble and see if we've been doing any post-processing there that I've forgotten about. Generate stream, remove codec. Something's going on there. We're replacing something with something else. Whale. Yeah, tech ID. Oh, that's yes. Push notifications are erased as well. The only thing that happens here that is actually relevant is this method. There's no changes happening here. It's just adding all the files as an upload. Whoa, what is the segment stream? Yeah, the stream path. What I'm confused about is, wouldn't those have like absolute paths in there? That's wild, dude. Wild. There's something about the format of the MP8 files that Safari doesn't like, and I can't tell you exactly what it is. And it's been a long time since I've been working with this technology, and I know that I've had this issue before, and I don't remember how I solved it. Something we could do is compare how Mux does it. I think it's Mux Video, right? Stream video files online, live streaming video experiences, upload your videos. Use Mux Uploader. I want to see an M3 UART file after it comes out. Hmm. So why? What was the whole codex thing? That's what I'm wondering about. Because I did, I do remember that this line was causing a lot of issues with Safari beforehand. And that's why I wrote this method to remove it. Now, it is calling this method to remove it. I, I commented it out now, so it shouldn't be doing anything. And yet, we still don't have codex. Okay, how about we print not removing codec? Because maybe the codec is just not present anymore. Maybe FFmpeg doesn't do that anymore. It's been a long time since I wrote this code, and FFmpeg has changed. So that would be one potential explanation for this. So we'll kill all of it, no background jobs. We start it up again, and we upload another video file. Now we should be seeing this whole thing execute and complete, and then we'll hopefully see that it's saying that the codec is not getting removed. Yeah, whatever. We get it. Cannot open underlying error or the okay. Uh, what does it say? Not removing codec. Perfect. So the file 3264 should have a codec, but it doesn't. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. Um, how about we just Google this thing? Swift M38, this medium. Cannot handle those situations for the iOS files damage because the header is incorrect. System fixes it. Oh, the header. Yes, there was something about that. There was something about the headers. Yes. Yes. Something like that. M3UH HTTP header. No, that's not it. That's not it. Maybe we just set it to 6. I don't know. Let's give this one a shot. Oop, wrong window. Still not working. This medium may be damaged. Is it a different error? 22A910? No, it's the exact same. Hmm. 12848, 12848. It is the same error, so I don't know why it still doesn't like it. I could keep decreasing this number, but like, it's kind of shady. There's also a chance that I might be caching some of it. Ah, yeah, that's not it. Hmm. Okay, so we have M3U version and M3U version hash duration media sequence video on demand math UI. Okay, I want to try something. Let's go in here and in front of all files we'll add dot slash. Just an experiment. Just an experiment. We copy the relative path. We open Safari. We go to our ngrok and we replace the URL. That's not it. Shouldn't there be debug information or something? How can handle load? What does that mean? Safari debug into yes, the mime type. Yes, but I don't remember how I did that in Bubble. Yeah, it was something about the HTTP header. It is the mime type header. At this point, I'm like 90% sure that it has something to do with the mime type. It might actually have been the fact that we've been serving it with Nginx, Django, media files, mime type. Okay, let's check what happens if we get this URL with curl. Curl minus v content type x impact URL. That's okay. Well, okay, let's search for anything that has to do with header. In the course headers, header graph size, content security policy. Well, did we set the middleware correctly? I did this in a CSRF. Oh, CSRF is not equal to course. But I don't think course is required for. What the heck? Okay, let's search for course. Course.json. Maybe the head is the problem. Okay, online into a test file. This one seems to be working fine. Well, this one seems to be working not at all. So that's amazing. Uh, Sintel, whatever that is. That seems a little bit slow. Network error. Well, this is getting better and better. Just can't play anything. Doesn't work. I mean, the quality sucks, but it does work. Okay, so let's do a curl minus V of it. We do get back, uh-huh, which is different from the header that Django generated. Interesting. Okay, well, let's try something. We could run Nginx as a Docker, um, to see if Nginx gets a different MIME type for this. So we'll have to find the volume mount, posting some simple static content. That seems good with me. Okay, so we have the media folder. So we should be able to do docker run remove minus v version directory slash media to here and the next. Then again, I don't know which port it's going to be using. And we have to map and graph to it. So this is the port. 8080 seems fine. I think our Django is using 8000, so 8080 is open. Let's stop this one, use 8080 instead, and get from this path this empty UFO. Okay, it's still not playing. Do we get a different content type though? Curl minus V. It is the right content type now, so that's good. Um, Python and Django gave us a different one. Wait, and first of all, I never started playing music. Second of all, I wanted to try playing Nintendo music today because all the previous music I listened to got copyright struck, even though I specifically tried to seek out music that wasn't copyrighted. So I'll search for 10-hour Nintendo music. Here we go. Okay. I'm not 100% sure if the audio quality is good today because the office has been a lot louder than usual. Let's make sure that you can still actually hear me and that the background noise is manageable. We'll see. I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. Well, that's not good. Wait, what? Wait, what? That's wild. That's wild. How's it possible? Um. Oh, I'm just not hearing anything at all. I think it might be time to. Well, I can hear this. But I can't hear my own stream, even though OBS says that things are here. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn on voice isolation, and then hopefully there should be no background noise. I do want to find out what the hell is happening with Safari. Maybe just restart it. and hope that fixes stuff. YouTube, canal, Nintendo. Ah, now I can hear it. Okay, I think we're good. Ah, finally. Now, let's find other things that are different about the M3 that's actually working and the one that's not working that I created myself. So this one works. Let's curl it. Oh, you know, one thing I didn't do today that is stream descriptions because we're actually in day 3. Um, so let's get this one back and see if there's something happening. Dude, we're back. Audio is completely gone. Okay, I need to restart my computer. There's something happening. I can't hear my. Wait. Last idea. What if we do AirPod switch? No, it's just not gonna work. Okay. I'll be back in 1 second. Sorry about that.